Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm afternoon from sunny Singapore. My name is Nirav Patel. I'm the Managing Director of the Digital Banker and Global Private Banker. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome all participants, winners and honorees to this afternoon's inaugural Digital Assets Awards 2023. Now, for those of you who may be unfamiliar with the Digital Banker, we are a business insights and accreditation provider to the worldwide financial services landscape. We're best known for our year-on-year assessment programs that we run across retail banking, transaction banking, of course the private wealth sector, and numerous other lines of business within the world of financial services. This is, of course, our inaugural Digital Assets Awards program. We've had our eye in this space in the world of decentralized finance for a number of years now. And we really built this program on the back of worldwide demand from infrastructure providers, custodians, digital wallet innovators, VCs, and of course a number of the venture arms of banks that we work with that like to incubate these business models, absorb infrastructure players, custodians, and be able to offer this out to institutional and of course retail clients as well. Now, ladies and gents, I would like to start off by actually thanking each and every single one of you who undertook the rigorous process of submitting intricate data sets. We know that we tend to ask quite a lot of in-depth questions, so thank you for your submissions. It is these submissions that really allows us to undertake and showcase the best practices within the industry and of course provide these global benchmarks. Now, just before I hand you over to our Head of Research, Mubashir Kazmi, who'll be sharing a few of the key insights that we found in this year's awards program, I'd like to give a little bit of an introduction. From our angle, we would look at the world of digital assets. Of course, that was conceptualized with the introduction of Bitcoin all the way back in 2009. Now that, of course, powered by a decentralized blockchain, really captured the imagination of users as an alternate digital-based currency. It's of course proved to be an inflection point in the ongoing evolution of the international financial and monetary system. And since then, market participants that are utilizing both permissionless and permissioned blockchain networks really began to offer a wide range of digital assets, including crypto, of course non-fungible tokens or NFTs as we all call them, and central bank digital currencies or CBDCs. Now, these virtual records of value, as we call them, really shared securely across a cryptographic ledger, has generated an entirely new set of market infrastructures and use cases as experimentation by various players has unlocked efficiencies, freed trapped liquidity, and of course facilitated the democratization of finance worldwide. Now, ladies and gents, just once again, a big thank you from the Digital Banker and Global Private Banker for everybody who participated and has undertaken the submission process for the inaugural program. We are invested heavily in growing this space, and we will be running this awards program year on year, with it growing exponentially in terms of worldwide participation. Without further ado, ladies and gents, let us introduce Mubashir Kazmi, Head of Research at the Digital Banker, who's here to share a few key insights from this year's program. Mubashir, over to you.
Thank you, Nirav, and welcome everybody to the Digital Assets Key Insights briefing. So today I'll be walking you through some of the select findings that we've observed and tracked during this year's program. Next. So we will be looking at some key trends that are shaping digital assets and the landscape, and it's really based on our view of this very fast-changing world of crypto. And what we've done is we've assessed some of the institutional initiatives that are captured through the program. Clearly, there's been turbulence that we've seen during the crypto winter of last year, and there's of course a very clear and demonstrable shift now towards the wider adoption of technological innovation, particularly in market infrastructure that is really required to power these digital asset transactions. As Nirav has mentioned, now also digital assets have proliferated and we've reached market caps of exceeding $1 trillion US. Of course, this is garnering traction and attention from both retail and institutional investors. And daily trading volumes have also eclipsed 160 billion US dollars. Now, notwithstanding some of the recent market volatility and related scandals, we've seen that the digital assets landscape really encapsulates the power of new disruptive technologies. So with the expectations of on-chain asset tokenization expected to exceed by some estimates, $16 trillion by 2030. Now, there's never been a more conducive time for the growth of the crypto market, and we've seen this also with the entry of conventional players. To name, for instance, the Goldman Sachs tokenization platform, the GSDAP, a case in point, which is really leveraging smart contracts to digitize and streamline the issuance process, as well as unlocking efficiencies for financial markets through the blockchain. So looking at some of these broader macro trends and strategic shifts that are reinforcing how digital assets are materially impacting traditional asset classes. So we do also see that with renewed client trust, with some sensible regulation and effective governance, that digital assets do offer the possibility of a very dramatically different international financial architecture with a blockchain at its core. Next. So the digital banker has its own proprietary assessment framework when we're evaluating the best-in-class entries. Our criteria looks at innovation, at transaction capability, risk management, and interoperability. At an award category level, the primary focus of most institutions has been on that digital assets infrastructure or innovation or wallet awards, and we received about 46% of submissions within this category. And this is double the next preferred category, which is really around institutional entries at the country, regional, and global level. So a key standout that we've seen, particularly from a digital assets infrastructure and innovation perspective, is Bakkt, whose institutional grade custody platform is really built on reliable infrastructure that enables multi-layered security. And given what we've seen, in terms of recent market events, the challenge around the difficulty in storing digital assets and the need for multi-custodian access, Bakkt has approached this with a very responsible and conservative mindset. And of course, it's backed by ICE, which is helping clients in terms of navigating those crypto-related complexities. Likewise, we have Bitbon, whose launch of the token tool has helped clients to seamlessly issue and distribute tokenized assets and NFTs across 4 leading Ethereum virtual machine blockchains. And very importantly, this has helped clients by avoiding some of the lengthy onboarding or cumbersome integrations, while helping them in terms of issuing securities that are accessible, that are fungible, and instantly settled across their lifecycle. Next. Now, if we do a bit of a deep dive looking at the entries we've received overall, the most sought after was excellence in digital asset innovation at 13%. And this was followed by the best asset or fund manager for digital assets and best digital assets custodian. I would like us to perhaps call out Zodia Markets, which is a digital asset marketplace here and a very trusted institutional trading partner for institutions and corporations, seeking to access digital assets. This is, of course, backed by Standard Chartered Bank, but it has really helped support the institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies and digital assets, and also transformed the trade life cycle, particularly for post-trade settlement, and has really been driving a lot of efficiencies and unlocking efficiencies from both a operational and capital perspective. Similarly, we have Amber Data, which has been supporting market participants through very much needed digital asset data, market intelligence, and risk analytics. And what we really liked about it is its very granular and multi-chain blockchain data sets that it contains, and this multi-chain coverage of historical and real-time data for some of the most active DeFi platforms, which is setting this apart from its peers. So looking at the coverage that it brings really from various blockchain networks of crypto markets and of decentralized finance is really, really empowering institutional investors. Next. So bringing this all together really and assessing the entries, it does showcase and demonstrate some of the developments that are taking place and the implementation really of new technologies, of new systems and processes that are transforming the way digital assets are being traded, the way they're being managed and utilized. This is a changing paradigm. It's a massive shift really, and it's contributing to much needed efficiency, transparency, and accessibility of digital assets by both market participants and various other stakeholders. And so with that, I'll just conclude today's briefing and pass it back to Nirav. But thank you for listening and hope you enjoy the rest of the gala.
Thank you very much, Mubasher and honorees, ladies and gents, for those of you watching around the world. I hope you found that insightful. Of course, that is just a very brief documentation of some of our findings, but it should give you all a good understanding of which award categories were the most competitive and also give you a little bit of insight into our proprietary assessment framework. But ladies and gents, of course, we're not here for an insights briefing. We're here to celebrate your achievements and excellence within the digital assets ecosystem, and of course to put the innovation that you're driving at the forefront of the industry. So this truly is a global platform for you to be acknowledged and of course to share your narratives and insights into what your organization is doing. So please take advantage of that. Just a house rule or two, once we do announce your award, just don't forget to unmute your laptop or your mobile device so that you can actually give your award speech. Ladies and gents, we're going to start off with the very first category, which is of course the Digital Assets Infrastructure Awards. We have 5 awards to get through this afternoon within this within the first category, and let me introduce the first award, which is the Best Digital Assets Custodian. Ladies and gents, your winner here is BACT, and please welcome Sam Auch, who is the Group Product Manager Trust, to say a few words. Congratulations.
Hi everyone, my name is Sam Auch, and I'm the Group Product Manager overseeing BACT's institutional custody and trading products. We are pleased and excited to be named Best Digital Asset Custodian by the Digital Banker. Founded in 2018 by the Intercontinental Exchange, BACT has always been a custody-first company with an institutional-grade custody product that focuses on flexibility, security, and reliability. BACT takes a regulatory-first approach to the challenging world of custody. We are incredibly excited about all the enhancements that we've made to our custody product. And if you'd like to learn more, please visit us at BACT.com, BAKKT.com. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Sam, and congratulations to BACT for that award and recognition. We do have a highly acclaimed honoree this afternoon for the Best Digital Assets Custodian Award, and this goes to Zodia Custody, and please welcome Ms. Anush Arev Shatian, who is the Chief Risk Officer. Anush, excellent to see you on screen. Over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Nirav, and thank you, everyone. I'm so excited to accept this reward on behalf of Zodia Custody, which is the leading institution-first digital asset custodian by Standard Chartered and in association with Northern Trust and SBI Digital Asset Holdings. Our mission is really simple. It's one of enabling institutional investors around the globe to realize the full potential of the digital asset future, simply, safely, and importantly, without compromise. Over here at Zodia Custody, we are thrilled by this accolade, and we're looking forward to serving our clients' needs globally. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Anush, and of course, congratulations to you and the team over at Zodia Custody for that remarkable achievement. I'd just like to note that please be aware that all of these award speeches and narratives will be made publicly available. We're now going to move over to the Best Digital Assets Custodian. We have a final highly acclaimed honoree. Please help me in welcoming SEBA Bank AG, and here we have Mr. Christoph Tu as the Product Lead Digital Custody and Deposits. Congratulations, Christoph. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you very much. I'm very honored and deeply honored to accept the award for Best Digital Asset Custodian on behalf of SEBA Bank. At SEBA, we have created a unique regulated custody platform. It features a fully audited proprietary cold storage, which sets us apart in the crypto banking industry. This award means a lot to us. It reaffirms our efforts and commitment in maintaining the highest standards for safeguarding our clients' digital assets. We are very grateful for this recognition, which motivates us to push the boundaries of digital custody standards even further. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Christophe, and congratulations to SEBA Bank for being recognised here this afternoon. Ladies and gents, we move over now to the Best Digital Assets Fund Administrator. And it gives me great pleasure to introduce your winner, NAV Fund Administration Group. And here we have Joshua Jong, VP, for a few words.
Thank you, digital bankers, for the award. We are very excited to receive this award. NAV being one of the first fund administrators in servicing digital asset funds, we continue to develop new solutions that address the unique requirements for the fund managers and their investors. We're absolutely gratified that our hard work has received this recognition. We will continue to offer the most innovative solutions, highly experienced team, and responsive and reliable client support. Lastly, I want to thank all our clients for the support, and of course to the excellent NAV staff for their dedications to doing the best every single day. Thank you.
Thank you, Joshua. Great to see you, and thanks for those words. Congratulations, of course, to NAV Fund Administration. Ladies and gents, we're going to move over to the final award within the Digital Assets Infrastructure category, and this is now for the Best Digital Assets Market Maker. Your winner here is Wintermute, and here we have Johan Turupin, who is the co-founder. Johan, congratulations to yourself and, of course, the team over at Wintermute. Over to you for a few words.
I'm delighted to receive the award on behalf of Wintermute. We started in the deep of the crypto winter 2018. And it wasn't without a bit of fear and a bit of toughness that we've achieved now to be essentially the largest crypto spot market maker. Delighted of the progress and the work of the whole team, and humbled my co-founder and CEO Evgeny, who's been a very long friend, long-standing and very resilient, alongside the rest of the team for us to build more efficient markets. So thanks, Digital Banker, for the awards, and I'll see you next year.
Very welcome, and of course, very well warranted. Thank you very much, Johan, and congratulations to Wintermute. We're moving over now, ladies and gents, to the Digital Assets Innovation Awards, of which there are 6 honorees this afternoon. The very first of which is for the Best Decentralized Finance Initiative, and your winner here is DYDX. We'll accept this award on their behalf as a representative wasn't able to join this afternoon. The next award is for the Best Digital Assets Fund. And of course, this was for absolute return in 2022. And your winner here is Portal Asset Management. And here we have Derek Graham, who is the CEO, founder, and director. Derek, over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Many thanks for acknowledging Portal Asset Management as the winner of the Best Digital Assets Fund Absolute Return in 2022. The Portal Digital Fund is an actively managed global fund of hedge funds focused exclusively on the crypto asset space. We have achieved returns of 90% since inception in 2020, which has outperformed the industry benchmark CCI 30 index with less than half the volatility. With deep dive due diligence, we choose the best of funds, of which a third are purely token investors, a third are high frequency trading and arbitrage, and a third trades sentiment and momentum. Outcome? Reduced volatility with 2/3 the upside and 1/3 the downside risk. Our team live in Singapore, USA, Switzerland, Canada and Australia, the best way to cover this extraordinary and truly global asset class. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for those words, Derek, and congratulations once again to Portal Asset Management. Our next award is for the Best Tokenization Initiative, and our winner this afternoon is Goldman Sachs, and here we have Amar Amlani, who is the head of EMEA Digital Assets. Amar, congratulations to you. Great to see you on screen. Over to you for a few words.
Hey guys, thank you very much. It's a pleasure to receive today's award for Best Tokenization Initiative, so thank you, Digital Banker, for the recognition. The launch of GSApp was the product of a lot of hard work across multiple teams here at Goldman Sachs. From the dedicated digital assets business we've built out and engineering team, all the way through to the spectrum of legal, compliance, operations, and broader technical teams. So really a team effort, as tokenization really does tackle the entire life cycle of securities. I'd also like to thank our clients who are involved in the 2 deals we've executed to date, both on the issuer and the investor side, alongside the other joint lead managers involved in the deals for their support as well. And look, with so many tokenization initiatives in flight, it's really exciting to see how the industry is transforming. So looking forward to seeing a lot more into next year. So thank you all again.
Thank you very much, Amar, and congratulations to Goldman Sachs and, of course, the team involved in that Best Tokenization Initiative. We do, ladies and gents, have a highly acclaimed honoree for the Best Tokenization Initiative, and that goes to Bitbond. And we have here Radoslav Albrecht, who is the founder and CEO, to say a few words.
Hi there, I'm Radko Albrecht, founder and CEO of Bitbond. I would like to say a big thank you to the Digital Banker for receiving the award in the category Best Tokenization Initiative. At Bitbond, we're especially honored for the recognition for our work on Token Tool. Our goal is to provide the best tokenization technology for both enterprises and Web3 companies. To achieve this, we have the broadest coverage of token standards from simple ERC20 tokens to security tokens as well as NFTs. Our biggest area of innovation is the on-chain automation of asset servicing via customizable smart contracts. This enables especially financial institutions to, on the one hand, cut infrastructure costs significantly, but on the other hand also to tap new revenue sources by making illiquid assets more accessible. And with this, I would like to say once again a big thank you for this award, and I'm looking forward to working with many more financial institutions on tokenization.
Excellent. Thank you, Radoslav. Congratulations, of course, to Bitbond. Now, moving to the penultimate awards within the Digital Assets Innovation category is the Excellence in Digital Assets Innovation. As we heard from Mabasha earlier on, this is a competitive category, and your winner here is Zodia Markets. And please welcome Mark Richardson, the Head of Trading, for a few words. Congratulations.
We are honored to accept the 2023 Award for Excellence in Digital Asset Innovation from the Digital Banker. Zodia Markets is an institution-first digital asset marketplace whose mission is to make the unfamiliar familiar. We're the trusted trading partner for corporations and institutions who want to trade in digital assets, but who don't want to compromise on the standards and principles associated with traditional finance. We thank the Digital Banker for this recognition, and we look forward to continuing our mission of providing excellence in this evolving landscape. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Mark, and congratulations to Zodia Markets for being recognized as Excellence in Digital Assets Innovation. We do have a highly acclaimed for the final honoree or the final award within this category, and that is for the Excellent in Digital Assets Innovation. And this goes to Amber Data, and here we have Tong Tong Gong, who is the COO. Over to you, Tong Tong, for a few words.
Thank you. I'm Tong Tong, co-founder and CEO of Amber Data. On behalf of the team, I want to thank you for recognizing Amber Data for excellence in digital asset innovation. Amber Data is proud to be the leading provider of digital asset data. We deliver comprehensive data insights into blockchain networks, crypto markets, decentralized finance, and empowering financial institutions with the data for research, trading, risk, analytics, reporting, and compliance. I'd like to thank our customers for allowing us to be the critical infrastructure that they rely on for success in the digital asset class. I'd also like to thank our team members. This achievement is a result of their hard work and dedication. Thank you again for honoring Amber Data with the Excellence in Digital Asset Innovation Award.
Congratulations, Amber Data, and of course to yourself, Tong Tong, as well. We are going to move over, ladies and gents, to the Technology Awards of just one award within this category, and that is for the Best Permissioned Technology Initiative. And your winner here is R3. And here we have Richard Gendall Brown, the Chief Technology Officer, to accept the award on behalf of R3. Congratulations.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Richard Brown, Chief Technology Officer at R3. We're absolutely delighted to accept the Best Permissioned Technology Initiative Award from the Digital Banker. The vision behind founding R3 was to enable direct digital collaboration in regulated industries where trust is critical. Corda is now being deployed by over 400 institutions and software vendors, powering the modernization of financial services through its application in digital assets, digital currencies, tokenization, payments, and much more. This award signifies not only our achievements, but also the collective efforts of the global DLT community. Our partnerships and collaborations with central banks and other financial institutions have been instrumental in pushing the boundaries of what is achievable with this technology. I'd like to thank the Digital Banker for this recognition and express our gratitude to our clients and partners for their trust and support throughout this journey.
Thank you very much, Richard, and of course, congratulations to R3. Now, ladies and gents, just before we move over to the next category, I'd like to once again thank everybody that participated this year. We've heard some insights, some narratives from some of the winning organisations, and they've been invaluable. It's great to see the work and the efforts that organisations are putting in to really drive innovation across the digital assets ecosystem, and we're committed to really assessing this year on year, and we look forward to next year as we see iterations on these innovation. And of course, this is a space that, you know, where technological transformation and sort of new regulations and evolving user preferences really is affecting the size of digital asset transactions, and this has grown exponentially. It's really also attracting new players across the value chain, whilst posing as both a serious challenge and of course an opportunity to incumbent market players too. So now, of course, more than ever, it really is imperative that the traditional players develop exceptional digital asset capabilities through innovative business models and services, or otherwise, of course, going to take the risk of becoming sidelined entirely. And it's great to see some of the tremendous efforts being driven by some of the winners we've heard from this afternoon. So we're now going to move over to the vendor awards, and the first award within this category is for the best technology solution provider for digital assets. And your winner here is Metaco, and here is Peter DeMeo, who is the CPO or Chief Product Officer at Metaco. Peter, great to see you on screen. Congratulations to you. Over to you for a few words.
Great, thank you so much. We're really honored to accept this award for the best technology solution provider for digital assets. This recognition is a testament to the dedication to hard work and innovative spirit of our entire team at Metaco. We'd like to express our gratitude also to the Digital Banker for recognizing the efforts that we've put forth in developing our cutting-edge digital asset technology platform that we like to say, well, it's built by the banks for the banks. Some of our clients are actually on this award program. We believe in the transformative power of blockchain digital assets, and it is our mission to provide a secure, reliable, and technologically advanced platform to safeguard and manage the valuable assets of our clients. And we acknowledge the immense trust and confidence that our clients and partners have placed in us. Their feedback and collaboration has been instrumental in shaping our platform and driving continuous improvement. We are committed to exceeding their expectations and delivering solutions that cater to their evolving needs in this dynamic industry. This award would not have been possible without the hard work, creativity, and dedication of our exceptional team. I'm very, very fortunate to work with a group of talented professionals who share my passion for securing digital assets and who continuously and consistently strive for excellence and push the boundaries. And last but not least, we'd like to thank our supporters, clients, and industry peers for being part of this collective journey. We look forward to contributing and continuing to innovate, collaborate, and contribute to the growth and success of our entire digital asset ecosystem. We're very excited about the future and remain steadfast in our mission to provide the best-in-class digital asset custody solution. Thank you once again for this honor.
Thank you very much, Peter. Great to hear from you, and congratulations to Metaco for the best technology solution provider for digital assets. We're now going to move over to the best digital assets platform by a vendor. And your winner here, ladies and gents, is Talos. And here we have Anton Katz, the CEO and co-founder of Talos, to say a few words.
On behalf of the entire global team here at Talos, I would like to thank the Digital Banker and the panel of judges for this award. This award actually coincides with 5-year anniversary since Ethan Feldman, my co-founder and CTO, and I started the firm. And really from the very early days, we believed that digital assets hold transformative power and that institutions will likely have to play a meaningful role in the process of this change. As a result, what we set out to build is the type of institutional grade infrastructure and tooling that's required for this market to operate. Our initial focus was always crypto, but with the long-term vision that all the assets will eventually move to digital assets rails. So we're extremely proud to accept this award. Thank you very, very much, and congratulations to all the companies recognized today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Anton, and of course, congratulations to Talos. The next award within the vendor category is for the Best Custody Solutions Provider for Digital Assets. And the organization being recognized here this afternoon is none other than GK8. And here we have Leo Lamesh, the CEO and co-founder of GK8. Leo, great to see you on screen. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you so much. I would like to thank you guys for the judges for choosing GK8 as the best custody solution provider for our digital assets. At GK8, we are committed to the mission of providing the most secure custody solution for both financial institutions and crypto institutions, enabling them to monetize any digital assets by providing custody, staking, DeFi, and tokenization services. We've incorporated the first Rucold Vault, the only one that can send signed blockchain transactions without being connected to the internet, paired with MPC for automated transactions. Being acquired by Galaxy Digital just 6 months ago, while remaining an independent business, we are proud to serve the largest institutions in the market that manage billions of dollars in production using our solution. With the meaningful growth of more than doubling our ARR within 6 months and global expansion of our team globally, I'm really excited about the future of GK8 in our mission to become the gold standard for institutions that adopting crypto in the most secure way possible. I invite you to reach out and learn more. Thank you once again for the award.
Thank you, Leo. Congratulations, and thank you very much for those words. It's a very cool logo, by the way. I thought we were having a technical glitch, but it's not. It's just the interactive element on the GK8. Very nice. Ladies and gents, let's move over to the Best Trading and Execution Solution Provider for Digital Assets. Your winner here, a familiar organization from this afternoon, Wintermute. And let us reintroduce Johan Turpin, the co-founder.
Yeah, I'd like to thank the whole team again. I understand particularly the engineering team, the infrastructure builders, and the business development team as such. So it's not only about building an excellent product, but making sure that it's articulated and visible to the rest of the world. And that execution's been stellar. And I'd like to thank all the partners, many of them actually on this Gala today, who are just very resilient in helping us in any seasons of the crypto space as such. To help us, build more efficient markets and very, very automated, very execution, very, excellence-driven market. So, thank you.
Thank you very much, Johan. Congratulations for the second award this afternoon. And that, ladies and gents, concludes the vendor category, which now brings us over to the People and Organization Awards, of which there are two. And the very first of which is Best Digital Assets Strategy. Your winner here is Pythagoras Investments, and we'll accept this award on behalf of the institution as they were unable to attend live this afternoon. But you will get a chance to hear from all winners and a little bit more in-depth information as to what warranted their acclaim and their wins across our platforms. We'll also be producing a number of insights post-event. We're going to move over now to the Digital Assets Leader of the Year. And ladies and gents, please help me in congratulating Alex Manson of SC Ventures. Again, I understand that SC Ventures are on an offsite today, so Alex couldn't be here live in person, but you'll certainly get an opportunity to hear from him at a later stage. Congratulations to Alex Manson and, of course, the team at SEV. That now brings us over to the Country Awards, and here we have the Best Asset Fund Manager for Digital Assets in the United States. And it is my pleasure to introduce your winner, Chainlink Capital Management LLC. And as we can see on our screen, we have Paula Origel, who is the co-founder and CEO. Paula, over to you for a few words. Congrats.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for having me. My name is Paola Origel, and I'm the co-founder and one of the managing partners at Chainlink Capital Management. We're a hedge fund of funds that has been investing in crypto and blockchain technology since 2018. We have the second longest track record in the industry. On behalf of my team and my partners, I want to accept this award and say a big thank you to the Digital Banker for having me here tonight. We're very excited and we're very proud for being part of the digital asset space. If you would like to learn more about our firm or any of our products, please don't hesitate to reach out at invest@chainlinkfund.com. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Paola, and congratulations to Chainlink Capital for that recognition. This now brings us over to the regional awards, and the very first is the Best Asset Fund Manager for Digital Assets in Western Europe. And it is my pleasure to introduce your winner this afternoon, none other than Atlanta Wealth. And here we have Neil Panshin, the Chief Technology Officer or Portfolio Manager. So congratulations to you, and over to you for a few words.
Thank you. As the Portfolio Manager of the Altana Specialty Finance Fund, I'd like to accept this award on behalf of all my colleagues at Altana and thank the esteemed panel of judges at Digital Banker for selecting Altana. Altana has 3 digital assets funds, and we launched the first European digital assets fund back in 2014. So it's great to be recognised here today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Neil, and of course congratulations to Altana Wealth for the Best Asset Fund Manager for Digital Assets in Western Europe. This now brings us to the Best Cryptocurrency Platform in Europe, and your winner is CEX.io. And here we have Becky Sarawate, who is the Head of Communications. Becky, great to see you on screen. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you so much. It's a real honor for CX.io to receive this award amidst a respected field of forward-thinking companies and solutions. And in accepting the recognition, we're inspired to continue the evolution and refinement of our global product ecosystem. We are true believers that global crypto adoption can and will change the world of finance for the good, and we're excited to be highlighted as a leader in the space. Thank you again, Digital Banker, and to the judging panel for the validation of our work.
You're very welcome, and congratulations, Becky, and of course to CEX.io. We now move over to the final part of the awards gala this afternoon, which is the Global Awards, 2 to get through. And the first one is for the Best Digital Assets Startup of the Year. Now, your winner here is ADEX. Ladies and gents, we're now going to move over to the final award of this afternoon, which will then conclude the Digital Assets Awards 2023. And this is for the Best Asset Fund Manager for Digital Assets. And your winner here is Wave Digital Assets. And appearing on behalf of the organization is Angus Campbell, who's appearing really on behalf of Matteo Dante Peruccio, the President International. Angus, thanks for stepping in, and over to you for a few words.
Yes, thank you very much. On behalf of Wave Digital Assets, the SEC registered digital asset investment manager, founded in 2018 by a team of highly experienced crypto natives and financial services professionals. I am delighted to receive the Global Category Award, Best Asset Fund Manager for Digital Assets of 2023. We would like to thank the Digital Bankers judging panel for recognizing Wave's dedication to providing institutional quality risk managed products and regulatory compliant digital asset investment solutions. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Angus, and of course congratulations to Wave Digital Assets. Ladies and gents, well, that was the final award of the afternoon. So once again, thank you all for participating this year. This of course was our inaugural program, but we saw a significant amount of traction with numerous submissions coming in from worldwide organizations, as we've seen a solid representation from numerous geographies across the world. Now, analysts only predict that this program will grow exponentially year on year, and at the Digital Banker, we're certainly committed to driving that growth. This really allows us to benchmark the best practices within the industry, but also assess the sort of trailblazing innovation that's taking place, and allows us to make predictions and assessments across various markets and sort of various categories as well. If you are interested in learning more around the key insights and the findings from this program, of course, we're only able to relay a very high level amount to you. Please get in touch with our teams. Congratulations to all of you once again. If you haven't worked with the Digital Banker, please feel free to get in touch with us at thedigitalbanker.com or follow us on LinkedIn. There are a number of ways in which you can leverage our platform. Of course, if organizations are interested in meeting, whether it's a VC, whether it's a hedge fund, whether you are a startup and want to work with sort of banks or the venture arm of banks, we have the platform and the expertise and the network infrastructure to be able to facilitate that. And we will see a number of the organizations at our Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards, which is of course an in-person gala on the 19th of October in Singapore. I guess all that's left for me to say, ladies and gents, is congratulations once again to all winners. Thank you to all participants who didn't make the cut this time, but we look forward to receiving all of your submissions again next year. My name's Nirav Patel, I'm the Managing Director of the Digital Banker. It's been an absolute pleasure. Good night, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Take care. All the best. Bye-bye.